Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload a full picture for your Facebook profile without the automatic crop. Let's dive right in. Typically, when you upload a profile picture using the Facebook app, it automatically crops your photo to fit the circular frame. This can be frustrating if you want to showcase the entire image. So I'm going to show you a quick and simple workaround for this issue. The best way to avoid the crop is by using the web version of Facebook. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Type Facebook into the search bar and press enter. Once you see the Facebook link, you'll want to press and hold on it. This is important because if you just click the link, it will redirect you to the app instead of the website. So press and hold, then open the link in a new tab. Now that we're on the Facebook website, by default, you'll be in the mobile view. To switch to the desktop version, click the three-dot menu icon at the top right of your browser. From there, select the desktop site option. Next, you'll want to go to your profile. Simply click on your profile picture or the icon in the top right corner and select your profile. On your profile page, click your profile picture to begin uploading a new one. Select the Upload Photo option. Here, choose the photo you want to set as your profile picture. For example, I'll select this one and click Done. Although Facebook's mobile app requires cropping on the desktop version, you can upload the full image and adjust it as you see fit. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save and you're done. And that's all there is to it. Now you've successfully uploaded a full picture as your Facebook profile photo. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.